Welcome back to Passionate About Tech. Are you ready to supercharge your Windows 11 experience? Today, we are diving into Microsoft PowerToys, a completely free suite of tools that basically gives you superpowers on your PC. We're going to cover everything, from the quick installation process to my favorite features like the color picker and the lightning-fast PowerToys Run. So, let's not waste a single second. First, let's talk about how to get this awesome tool onto your machine. You actually have two great options here. You can grab it directly from the Microsoft Store for a quick setup, or head over to the official Microsoft website. I've put that link in the description to grab the latest version from GitHub. Now, once you've clicked that download button and finished the installation, you'll be greeted by the PowerToys dashboard. This is your command center. Okay, let's get into the fun stuff. First up is the color picker, and honestly, this is a total game changer for anyone working with graphics. Just hit the Windows key plus Shift plus C, and a little bubble will follow your mouse. See that? It shows you the exact hex code for any pixel on your screen. Just click to lock it in, and you can copy that code for your projects instantly. It's snappy, it's accurate, and it is so much better than opening a heavy photo editor just to find a specific shade of blue, right? Next on the list is PowerToys Run. And if you like efficiency, you are going to love this. Just press Alt plus Space, and this sleek search bar pops up right in the middle of your screen. You can search for apps, open files, or even perform quick math calculations without ever touching a calculator. It's like the search bar Windows should have had from the start. Now, let's talk about the image resizer. Have you ever had a folder full of huge photos that you need to shrink for an email or a website? It's a pain, right? Well, not anymore. Just select your images in File Explorer, right-click, and select Resize with Image Resizer. You can choose from predefined sizes or even type in your own custom dimensions. Hit that resize button and boom, all your images are processed in seconds. It is fast, it is reliable, and it saves so much boring manual work. Seriously. While we're in File Explorer, let's look at Power Rename. If you have 50 files named Document 1, Document 2, and so on, and you need to change them all at once, Power Rename is your best friend. Just right-click the selected files, choose Power Rename, and you can search for specific text and replace it across all files instantly. It even shows you a preview of the changes before you apply them. It's absolute magic for organization. But wait, there's more! Have you ever tried to copy text from a YouTube video or an image and felt frustrated because you couldn't highlight it? Well, Text Extractor is here to save the day. Just press the Windows key plus Shift plus T. Drag a box over any text on your screen, and it's instantly copied to your clipboard. It uses optical character recognition to read the text for you. It's brilliant and works on websites, PDFs, or even inside apps. Last but definitely not least, let's talk about mouse utilities. If you are like me and constantly lose your cursor on a big monitor, just tap the Control key twice. See that spotlight? It dims the screen and puts a bright circle right on your mouse so you can find it instantly. And if you're recording tutorials, you can use the mouse highlighter with the Windows key plus Shift plus H. Every time you click, a colorful halo appears. It makes it so much easier for your viewers to follow what you're doing. There are so many more tools in this box, like Always on Top, but these are the essentials that will change your Windows game today. I hope this guide helps you stay productive and saves you some serious time. If it did, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to Passionate About Tech for more tips. Let me know in the comments which tool is your favorite. Until next time, stay tech savvy.